everyone. So today I have my Boxycharm unboxing for you all. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription service. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. So my last Boxycharm video, I unboxed it and then I tried all the products on afterwards. I think this time, to keep this video shorter, at the end of the month, once I receive all of my beauty subscription boxes, I'm going to do a video completely dedicated to trying on all those products. If you like that idea, let me know. I don't know if you guys would prefer me to unbox this and try the makeup on in the same video, or if I should just do a whole video dedicated to trying on all the makeup that I've received in all of my subscription boxes. I have Boxycharm, Ipsy, and Allure Beauty. So just let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I'd like to know. But for today, I'm just going to do the unboxing. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then also ring your notification bell so that you guys are notified for all my future videos. And without further ado, if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've seen some sort of sneak peeks of this as I'm going through Instagram and Boxycharm pops up. And I just hurry and scroll past as fast as I can so I don't see what's in it. So I kind of have an idea, but I'm not 100% positive what's in this. All right, so here is this month's box. So you get, what is this? It's a pamphlet. So it says eye candy. It has all the products inside. I'm not going to peek at it quite yet. On the back, it has a VIP offer. You can go to Sephora.com, search Pores No More to access a special limited edition pore refiner primer bundle offer just for you. And then you can also get 10% off of Tarte.com. The code is AprilBoxy, so if you want to use that, you can. Okay, so I'm just going to pull out the first things I'm seeing on top, which are 2 makeup brushes. These are by SL Miss Glam. I'm assuming that Boxycharm and SL Miss Glam partnered up together because it does have Boxycharm's name on it. I doubt you guys can see that, but it's really cute. I do have several of SL Miss Glam's brushes, and they always have the little rhinestones in the center right there, and then they're just cute. The bristles are pretty soft, so it looks like you get a little blending brush and then a little shader brush. And these retail for $38.50. All right, the next thing I'm gonna pull out is by the Brow Gal. And this is the Instant Light Hair 03 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers, which is nice because I like those kinds of products. I buy the Essence one that's tinted and has little fibers in it. And this says it is just in the shade 03 for light hair, which probably isn't the best for me now since I have dark hair, but it just is a little spoolie like this, and yeah, it just has little fibers on it. I'll probably still use it even though it's not really my shade anymore. And this retails for $22. The next thing I am seeing is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is a pore purifying mask. So on here it says that it's an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface, which is awesome because my pores are ridiculous. So I could definitely use one of these, and this retails for $47. That is a pricey little guy right there. And the next thing I'm seeing is by MAC. This is a lip intensity lipstick. I got the shade Burnt Violet. All right, so the packaging looks like this. This is actually like a pretty heavy little guy right here. And here is the color. I'm just gonna do a little swatch on the back of my hand. Super creamy and just a pretty violet shade. Just a, violet color. It would be really good for fall, but I'll wear it in the summer and spring. I don't really care about that. So I do really like this color. Actually, I want to branch out more and wear more, purpley, violet, berry kind of colors. So I'm actually really happy that I got this. and this retails for $21. Okay, and the last thing in my box. is the ColourPop Element of Surprise. They did have several palettes that you could have received, and this is the one that I got. So the packaging is really cute. It's, you know, purple and pink and green kind of flower circle-y looking things. And on the inside, it looks like this. I honestly can say I don't have a palette like this, but I am pretty excited because you do have several nice transition shades and really nice sparkly shades. I just want to touch this purpley one. Ooh, pretty. I'm going to touch this one too. They're very creamy. Do a little swatching. Wow. Ooh. Those are nice. I'm actually really excited for this. Whoa. That's not the color I was expecting there. This one's really cool. It's like a duochrome white purpley color. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but I thought it was just gonna be a shimmery white, but it isn't. That looks pretty cool. So yeah, I am excited for this. Again, I don't have anything like this, and I think it'll be really nice. And this palette retails for $16. So my total retail value of this box was $144, which is absolutely amazing since I only paid $21 for this box. So actually, I'm pretty happy with this box this month. There really isn't anything that I'm disappointed in. I think I will use basically every single one of these products. The brushes are probably my least favorite just because I have so many brushes, but I mean, really, you can never have too many brushes. So overall, I'm pretty excited. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm this month. Just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.